This everyday glossy makeup look took less than 5 minutes guys, and all products are super affordable and easy to use. Hey everyone, I'm sharing with you my everyday makeup routine. So first, skin prep. I'm using my Plum Toner because glossy makeup always look better on hydrated. Then I'm applying the Aqualogica Moisturizer for that healthy glowing looking skin. Next, Lakme Blush Tinted Primer. This smooths the skin while still keeping the makeup fresh and natural. I love that it gives a soft blurred finish without looking heavy. Instead of heavy foundation, I am using concealer only where I actually need coverage. I am using Inside Concealer and Swiss Beauty Concealer. This keeps the makeup lightweight and more skin-like, and blending is everything, so don't forget to blend. I use Inside Concealer. It's one shade darker than my skin tone, and the Swiss Beauty is one shade lighter, so just balance the, because I have discoloration on my upper lips, around my mouth and eyes area, so that's why I'm using both the shade. If you don't have, so you don't need to use two shade, you just only use one. Then I'm using Lakme Blush. Instantly makes the face look fresh and alive, so that's why because girls, all girls are actually love blush, so that's why I'm applying more and more, because I have blush blindness, so I have applied more, I feel like less. So then I am also using the same Lakme blush as eyeshadow because it's tied the whole look put together and looking beautiful and more naturally. So that's why I'm using the same shade. It's give very natural looking face. Now I'm adding a little contour to warm up the face. Nothing too heavy, just soft and definition, just light definition, not too much. If you don't need it, you don't feel to apply it, so just skip this part. I'm just applying little bit. I have little bit of fuller face, that's why I'm using. If you don't have, then don't, just skip this part. Then I'm using curler to curl my lash. It just give more volume to my lash. And then mascara. Honestly, mascara changed everything. I am using Maybelline Colossal Mascara to make my lashes look more longer and natural and instantly awake. So that's why I just love this mascara. Then I'm using Mars translucent banana powder. Just don't take extra, pat extra on your back of your hands and just all over your face where it's needed. For lips, I am using same brow pencil to outline my lips. I am using the Make Nude Mars Nude Lipstick. Nude lipstick always make look give that natural makeup looking face, and it's not that more loud and more neutral, so it's looking just beautiful as you see, and it's a very natural look. The same pencil I'm using to fill my brows, because this is at the end of the day, this is the brow pencil. So I'm just filling lightly. I'm just filling lightly using them eyebrow pencil, not very hard, just light filling to give that natural and defined look. Okay, the final step, and this is literally the game changer. I am using Swiss Beauty setting spray to melt all my makeup together and remove any powdery look. This gives skin that fresh glossy look, and that's the final look guys. Affordable product, glossy skin, and super easy everyday. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel and comment your favorite makeup below. Bye bye.